Hi friends, welcome to Computer Science Learners. In SQL lecture series, now we will discuss about alter command. So alter is one of the command in data definition language. By using alter command, we can make the modifications to the structure of a table. Okay, so using alter command, we can add columns to the existing table, rename column or rename the table, and modify the data types given to the columns, and add the constraints and rename the constraints. So you can do any kind of modifications by using alter command. So here one thing you should remember is we are altering the table properties at the structure level. This is not related to the data available in the table. So because it is a data definition language command. So now we will see the examples. So here alter table employee add address varchar. So we have to use certain keywords for making the changes. So the common syntax for altering a table is alter table name. That is common. If you want to add any new column to the existing table, you have to write the add keyword. If you want to delete any column, drop keyword. If you want to modify the column data type or name, whatever it is, modify. You want to rename the column, rename column name. If you want to rename the table name, rename to employee name. Like that, there are different syntaxes for each and every modification. So here you should remember, for the modification, whatever the keyword is available, you should remember that keyword. Add, drop, modify. So rename to. So like that you remember all these things. So now we will see the demonstration of the alter command. So first I want to check whether the employee table is available or not. Employee. So if I try to execute, yes, so employee table is available. So this table consists of 3 columns: ID, name and address. Now first I want to add one more column to the employee table. Using alter, I am trying to add one more column. So here the syntax is alter table name. What is the table name? Employee. Now what we have to do, we need to add add one more column to the existing table. So I am taking column as salary is the column name and the corresponding data type. So I am taking number. So number. I am giving some size also, 5, number. So alter table name employee, add column name and its data type. Now if try to execute it, table altered. Now we will see whether the altered adding column is available in the description or not. See, initially ID, name and address is there. After adding this salary, if I try to execute the description command, we will get the salary, number and its precision. Okay, so in the same way I can drop that particular column. So syntax is alter table employee, this is the common for all, then drop column, it's not column name, drop column, then given the column name, I am giving salary. Alter table name employee, drop column name salary. Then I select it and run. Dropped. Now we will see. Yes. So the adding salary column is dropped from the table. Then I want to modify the existing column. So for example, I am taking the address, and by default the address having the data type varchar2 and the length 30. Now I want to change the size of the address. Then we have to write alter table name employee modify, means we are changing. Which column we are changing? Address. So initially what is the data type? varchar2. Initially the size is 30. I am giving some 40. So alter table employee modify address with the new size of the varchar2 data type. If I try to run this, table altered. Now you will see the description. See, address length is changed to 40. Okay. Now I want to rename the existing column. Take any column. For example, I am taking the column ID and I am changing it to employee ID. So here the syntax is alter table name is employee rename column. First you have to write the original column or old column, then to new column. So what is original? ID to emp ID. So the syntax is alter table name employee rename. We are renaming the column. Which column? ID to which name? emp ID. So select this and run. Table altered. Now we will run the description command. See here, initially it was ID, now it is emp ID. So like that you can do the modifications to the structure of a table by using alter command. So I hope you enjoyed this session well. Thank you.